Alright, and welcome to today's lesson on polygons. So polygons, now we went from lines and angles, line segments and rays, and now we're going into putting those angles and those lines together to make shapes or to make polygons. Now what a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. Each line segment is a side. The point where the sides meet, or the line segment meets, is the vertex. Now let's break down the word polygon. Poly comes from the Greek word that means many, and gon means corner or angle, because when sides meet, they form a corner or an angle. Now let's go through a very quick review. Remember that a line segment is a line that has two endpoints. Now let me just draw another. So I'll put two endpoints, two periods together, and that is a line segment. That line cannot go past those two endpoints. Alright, and now an angle, and now remember that an angle is two rays that share a common endpoint. So remember, if I take my endpoint, put it right there, and I draw a ray from this one and from this one, that I make an angle. Remember, those rays can go on forever and ever in one direction. So now let's talk about the types of polygons. Well, the first polygon we're going to look at is a triangle. Remember, a triangle has three sides. Three sides. 1, 2, 3. And it has three vertexes, because this is the vertex where those angles meet, right here and right here. Our next type is going to be a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means that it has four sides, and there are the four vertices, the four vertices, right here, and right there. Alright, so let's continue. The next one that we're going to be looking at is a pentagon. A pentagon, and all this is just review for y'all. A pentagon is made up of 5 line segments, and it has 5 sides. And where those endpoints meet, here, 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 and here. The next type of shape that we're going to look at is a hexagon. Well, hexa means 6, and a hexagon has 6 sides. Alright, so a hexagon has 6 sides, and it also has 6 angles. I forgot to mention that at first. And then the next thing, an octagon. Just like the stop sign. Man, I hope I can draw this. Boom. Okay, I think I'm doing good so far. It's not a pretty octagon. So an octagon has 8 sides, and it has 8 angles. Now let me go back real quick. 5 sides, 5 angles. 4 angles, and it has 3 angles. Alright, now I'm good. Now let's continue. Now, other endgons are endgons. There's a polygon where we don't know the number of sides. And those are just different polygons that we'll talk about as we work on the different lessons about polygons. But that is the end of our lesson on polygons. Stay tuned for our next lesson, which is going to be over triangles and quadrilaterals. Hey, see you next time, and make sure you take those notes.